How to improve your voiceover work. Are you sometimes lacking confidence behind the microphone and that affects your performance? Look, I understand the challenges that can arise when it comes to recording a voiceover in front of a microphone, especially when you're starting out and literally finding your voice. Here are my quick tips. 1. Embrace your unique voice. First and foremost, remember that your voice is unique and valuable. Appreciate the distinct qualities that make your voice special. Embrace the fact that there is an audience out there who will connect with and appreciate your vocal style. 2. Shift your mindset. Instead of focusing on the fear of being heard by thousands of people, shift your mindset to consider that you're speaking to just one person, and the script should be written that way anyway. It's 1-to-1. Even if you're on a network TV ad, it's 1-to-1. Just visualize a friendly face or imagine speaking to someone who's eager to hear your voice and receive the information you're sharing. This perspective helps create a personal connection and reduces the overwhelming feeling of performing for a large audience. Don't worry. Tip 3. Preparation is key. Confidence grows from being well prepared. So take the time to thoroughly familiarize yourself with the script and its context. Understand the purpose and intent of the voiceover. Now, if you don't know, ask the client before you self-record or before you go in that booth, put the headphones on and get directed live. Practice reading the script out loud, not in your head, out loud, experimenting with different tones and emotions. And the more prepared you are, the more confident and comfortable you'll feel during the recording session, whether it's self-directed or in the booth and you're being directed by the client over your headphones. The other thing to do when you're practicing is to time it, especially if it's for a radio or TV commercial, so you'll know if it's overwritten or you've got time so your voice can breathe. Tip 4. Visualization techniques. Now, before stepping into the recording studio, use visualization techniques to enhance your confidence. This is especially if you go into the big city. If you're not doing it at home, you're doing it in a big, swanky studio with a cake wagon and all that stuff, Visualize yourself delivering a flawless voiceover performance with ease and precision. Look up the people you're about to meet if you haven't met them yet. Find them on LinkedIn, look at their pictures, read about their background, that sort of stuff. Imagine receiving positive feedback from clients, directors, or of course the listeners. This mental rehearsal can help boost your confidence and reduce anxiety. And 5, positive self-talk. Replace any negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths, your skills, and previous successful performances. Remind yourself that you've been chosen for this out of goodness knows how many people. So just think that's pretty good. Give yourself a pat on the back. Build a repertoire of positive statements such as, I have a captivating voice. I am a talented voice artist. I am confident and engaging. And repeat these affirmations to yourself, especially before recording sessions, to instill confidence in yourself. For detailed training courses on all things voice and voiceover, please check out VoiceoverMasterclass.com. There's a free complete voice training and voiceover course you can take right now, and all the best-selling paid courses have free preview chapters so you can see if the courses are right for you before you decide to take them. With a great value membership scheme too. You can learn how to set up your home studio, use audio editing programs efficiently, greatly boost your voiceover income, learn voice acting and audiobook production, train your voice to be more flexible, deeper and more resonant. And also there are green screen filming, video presentation and editing courses too, all on VoiceoverMasterclass.com.